Guys, I want to show you how to remove and replace the ball catch on a closet or a laundry room door. So this is what ours looks like here. I don't know what happened to the ball, but it's not working. I had pulled it up. It's generally flush like this one, and what it's supposed to look like is like this, and you kind of push it back into the frame onto a strike plate, and it keeps the door from opening and swaying. And this is actually causing damage to the trim here, which I'll have to paint a little bit later once this is replaced. So this is what it looks like. There's a hole drilled down, and I'll just remove this. So we went ahead and bought a new one because I tried to repair it and it just wasn't able to be repaired. This is the strike plate. It's fine, still intact, so you can replace that. In some versions, you actually have the bottom strike plate as well, which is built into the ball catch. And this is what it looks like. It's two pieces. I am going to include this in the description. It's from, I think, Amazon. So this is what the hole looks like. It's drilled down into this. It's a hollow door as well. So it's got the top catch on, so it's not going to fall through. I'll show you what I mean here. So it's got an outer black cylindrical, I guess, cylinder, and it just goes right in. And what you do is you kind of see where the notches were previously. I tried to line those up thinking it would go in easier, and it actually did not. So I'm pushing it down. You can use a hammer on this. You really shouldn't need to if the hole is drilled correctly and if you're just replacing it. So I went ahead and pushed down, but I wasn't able to get it down that way. It does kind of pop out if you need to hammer that black part down. But what I did is I just took it out. I rotated it about 180 degrees, pressed it down, and it did go down flush. So see how simple that is? It's pretty simple. And when you close the door, you want to make sure that the ball is depressed and you're getting some resistance when you're coming back with the door. If you're not, you can replace the strike plate at the top because that may be a little bit thicker. But this is replaced now. It looks pretty good. And you just want to make sure both doors, the ball is depressing, and then when you close the door that it's pressing the ball down a little bit enough whereas the door is not going to sway open. And that top little portion here, it's got a cylinder on the top, so it's not going to fall all the way through, and it's catching on the top pieces of the wood or the door, which is nice because when you drill down, these doors are really hollow. So if you drill a certain amount down, you're going to find there's nothing really in the middle of them. This is what we bought here. It actually comes with another pack, so if I did want to replace the other one, I could do that in case that failed or if I wanted them to match or whatever. I did get these on Amazon, and I will put a link down in the description.